Carefully cut box open and lay out the contents as shown. Lay the roller cover canister on its back, then remove the 4 side rail bolts. Carefully cut bubble wrap on the side rails and strip all clamps and the motor bolt. When fitting side rails of the HSP roller cover, be sure to slide the curtain of the roller cover into the slot as shown. Using previously removed side rail bolts, fasten in the holes as shown. On the motor side, be sure to line up the motor bolt before fastening. These are the parts included with your roller cover. Fit black tar inside corners as shown. Seal the rear of the tub as shown with a black tar to prevent water seeping through. Use the primer stick and apply foam tape as shown along the rear edge of the tub. Disconnect the positive power from the wiring loom. Remove grommet on passenger side of tub, then carefully feed the wiring loom through. Run wiring down the chassis of the vehicle to the battery. Attach the wiring to the battery, then reconnect the positive to the wiring loom. With the assistance of another person, carefully place the roller cover on the tub. Make sure that the rubber trim isn't folded underneath. With another person on the other side of the roller cover, lift the tailgate. Pull roller cover to the back side of the tailgate to make sure that the tailgate is able to close before clamping down. Hand fasten all 6 clamps on roller cover. Compress side rails as you fasten all 6 clamps. Adjust seals accordingly after compressing. Apply backing plate to protect tub. Adjust side rails to the height of the tailgate as shown. Loosen bumper on roller cover canister. Plug in wiring and tuck up inside bumper, then fasten. Use primer stick to prime over previously applied foam. Apply rear seal and top plate. Measure 200 mm in line with the drains and drill through tub. Apply touch-up paint to prevent rust in drilled holes. Apply drain tubes as shown. Lubricate with spray provided in the service kit. Now you have successfully installed your HSP roller cover.